in the schools. One way health officials hope to slow the spread there is with the mask requirements. The Tri-County Health Department put one in place a month ago. But we have learned that the Deer Trail School District in eastern Arapahoe County is ignoring the mandate, and some parents are not happy about that. Karen Morfitt at Tri-County's office in Greenwood Village. Karen, the agency now investigating those complaints.
They're in the very early stages of that investigation, which typically would mean just reaching out to the district, Jim, and asking if these complaints were substantiated. But this case is a little bit different because the superintendent actually sent a letter to every parent that makes it pretty clear they are not following that mandate. In a small town in eastern Colorado, parents concerned about COVID want to know why their school has been allowed to skirt county mandates.
There's been enough scientists and doctors and public health organizations that have told us that this is a good thing.
This family in Deer Trail, worried about backlash, spoke with us anonymously. A Tri-County public health order requires those over the age of 2 to wear masks in schools, but district leaders, they say, are not enforcing it. The superintendent even seen on the front page of the town newspaper without a mask under a separate headline about rising cases.
When it's coming down from the leadership of the school that it's just not an issue, then it's not going to be enforced.
They say a notice was sent home to parents alerting them of COVID positive cases from the superintendent, but it blatantly disregards the mandate, saying, quote, if you would like your child to wear a mask indoors at school because of the TCHD mandate, please consider having your child wear a mask regardless of vaccination status. Tri-County Health official Melissa Sager says 2 things will prompt an investigation: a large number of complaints or examples of egregious and apparent disregard.
They have different experiences in their communities and face different pushback. We're reaching out to have that conversation with them first.
Knowing that someone is stepping in brings some relief to this family, but it comes just a few days too late. Their youngest, not able to be vaccinated, now positive for COVID. Now, we did reach out to the superintendent there in Deer Trail. We were not able to reach him by email or by phone, both at his office or at his home. We also reached out to every member of the school board there in the district and have not heard back. For now, we're live in Greenwood Village. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.